you're not used to, and it's something that takes a bit of time to adapt into. And like I say, it wasn't great for start. Probably got too many errors. But we got on with it and did a good job in the end.
Okay, so really digging deep tonight as well, I guess.
Yeah, it was, like I say, obviously a bit of adverse weather conditions, but like I said, the boys got together. We knew it was going to be tough, and this made it twice down with the weather. But yeah, the boys were real good tonight.
I think even when we turned a few balls over, we defended well, and that was our goal. We spoke about defence was going to win that game, and it did. And our attack shone through a bit in the end, and we scored a few points. So I think it was a massive day for our defence.
It is what it is, isn't it? We've been beat on the night, and I'm not going to complain about anything. The best team wanted to play better than what we did tonight and handle the conditions better, and they got what they got. I think sheer weight of possession, we got them a couple of scores towards the end, and that just showed a little bit defensively. We were just a little bit tired around the middle at some points.
Has all the team come through that one all right? There looked to be a few for us and rugby players out there.
Yeah, there was at the end of the game. I've watched in there, and I've just had to front. They're all in the shower fully clothed because it was just that cold, and there's no point talking to people after that game because they're just going to be sat chattering with the knees knocking because they genuinely are freezing out there. And it's credit to everybody who's won the 34 blocks that have been out there playing, and everybody who's been and paid the money to come and watch this game because the crowd that's been there, because of the conditions, and especially the travelling support from Huddersfield, was outstanding.
To keep them scoreless were a massive effort from us. We've got some quality attacking players, and we managed to defend pretty well tonight. So I'm very pleased with the score overall. So good 2 points for us.
Huddersfield have been travelling real good this year. They've been confident coming here, and we've been a bit scratchy the last few weeks, but tonight was real good.